And that Miss Oreya, yes, ex and a former Attorney General Godfred Dame at the Abayin Air Court. Let me say, hey, Godfred Dame, Owokrumha. Godfred Dame, Owokrumha. Yes, Yane. Or see what the Abayin Court. Okay. Yankin can you hear the entire Godfred Dame person the Abayin Air Court? Or say 40 sacked public workers sue government over wrongful termination. 40 former public workers have sued the government, calling their dismissals unconstitutional. They are presented by Dame and partners, a firm linked to ex-Attorney General Godfred Dame. Okay. Yankin Kain. Or say 40 former public sector employees have filed a lawsuit against the government of Ghana, challenging their dismissals as unconstitutional and politically motivated. The group, represented by Dame and partners, a law firm linked to former Attorney General Godfred Dame, contends that their terminations violated due process and Article 191B of the Constitution, which protects public servants from arbitrary dismissal. Their sackings followed a February 10, 2025 directive from Chief of Staff Julius Debra, instructing public institutions to revoke appointments made after December 7, 2024, the day of Ghana's elections. Now, I say the directive justified the mass terminations as a governance measure aimed at addressing alleged irregular appointments made under the previous NPP administration. However, the plaintiffs argue that the government's move was an unlawful political purge that undermined their rights. Or say their lawsuit filed against the Attorney General and 6 major state agencies named Ghana Revenue Authority, National Lottery Authority, Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority, Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority, Ghana Shippers Council, National Health Insurance Authority. The dismissed workers are asking the court to declare their terminations unlawful, nullify the Chief of Staff's directive, order their immediate reinstatement, award them compensation for economic hardship, prevent further political dismissals in the civil service. And this is the case, okay? The writs of sermons are say Nkrofui omo issue aban intino clearly no omo yusuko Godfred Dame ne law firm and na womu issue aban. Now the people are almost applicants no Mabel Apete, Yamusa Mohammed Yassin, Richard Otu Swatson, Joseph Boateng, Kofi Jesse Bruce Anan, Riddick Kwame Afrani Entry, Yao Bewa Bando, Daniel Elvis Sunu, Yusuf Yakubu, and then Emmanuel Philip Edu, Nelson Edu, Derek Osei, Francis Jagri, Ena Genevieve Gladys Amoakon, Abubakari Abdul Malik, Abdul Hakim Yahaya, Amin Mohammed, Jimaima Kujmi Sa, Mohammed Amin Yakubu, Joseph Obin, Clement Anane, Gladys Nana Unchuwa Kuju, Ariba Elom, Henrietta Opintan, Rhoda Chocho Okai, Richard Epienim Yabwa, Pel Ayinsuja, is it Amike? Anyway, Magdalene Amposa Impoma, Mariam Hammond, Sharon Bentel, Boachi Michael, Lydia Ejakwa, Gifty Aseidu Osei, and the list goes on. Bernard Ejei Safo, Gilbert Adote Alote, Said Abdul Ghani, Williams Kofi Frimpong. So the people are Omo ASU, no, the people they are suing Ghana Shippers Authority, Ghana Ports and Harbours Authority. Basically, no muye juma these companies. And NDC are buying by no yababe pamiomo. And the reason NDC are buying MI and they said these people no say ye two abawi no and the MPP for ebabe appointee omo. Listen, this matter this is what I want to say on this case. I don't blame the people suing governments. And I think that if these people think that they are going to get whatever they want by suing the government, they should go for it. You see, akwa dane assembly ende nipa kra wono ko say asem no oni hobi e ma nkrofo mienu ananka asem na inform ho no omo na ende wo mo ba be ko asem ne ho, and that is exactly what is happening today. Won say wo mo wie omo akwa hye Godfred Dame ne law firm echi ene edi issue aban. Inti basically no say Godfred Dame no bedi asem na ono no bedi omonim akwa ye den issue aban, right? Edi aban akokot. Now so wo mo di bone no eyomo. Enya the people are wo issue, but the MPP government na Godfred Dame eka ho. Melodies ebusu ni bi frame say Melodies mesre ka bi man why. Na me to abama NDC. Now so me kan wo mo a NDC bae no wo mo apame yen efi adwuma no emu no mesre emu nye ke bi man yen. I felt the person's pain. Because say yes ye can say nipa kono ndi boni o. Say mo de mo pese mo yete ase say nipa kono ndi boni. Because ono ne de ni say we wie school 3 years ago. We wie school 4 years ago. E na wa apply say wo pay adwuma. Watine fia wonye adwuma. MPP fi aban mu no. E na omo trimu, omo ye say da bi yenye bibia be ye NDC 4 ya. And no more babe employ say nipa krono say ye de wo ehye say nipa krono wo nim say yenye budget allocation man no de watene fie 4 years and na wa apply for ejuma and ende ya friend say wo mbra no mbra me na ejuma ono de say aban fofra wo free so wo ye we ni nti obeka say nipa krono mo nko obekọ watene fie opejuma wonya aban free so na aban afa ne say bra obekọ. Inti nipa krono emo musu no, it is not their fault. Maybe I'm not going to blame them because they are Ghanaians who are looking for jobs to do. But bonia MPP for D, you know. And you see, that is why I am happy because this has been serious confusion. Aban bia se wo free so implementation bia wonu susu se na nko ntumi nya no. Ubon se wa baba beye e di etia aban foforo. So this is what I'm going to say. Ayamede say, and I'm in more say, right? Ayamede say, I think say it is the MP for Medina, Sosu, Francis Sosu, right? Xavier Sosu. Onona ende. Say I saw a story like that. Or pass a private members bill. Say yetu abewia. Yema emra. Entia aban bia se obeye employment bia. And I think that is the way to go. This should be the last time. If these people feel say court ebe to me akomo asema momo, it is right for them to go to court. But I would prefer say na nko omo na nko di omo nim edi omo akọ court no. Enye ebia a neutral person. Enye a neutral law firm and a neutral lawyers bia wo mo nya link to any political party. But won so kokọ share MPP for ana MPP obi ano MPP aban mu ne law firm echi na okosu aban it will look like a diabolical move. But I understand your pain. Metiasie atiasie metemo pain na say because no one will wish this on nedophobia. Inti no mesre media na nkrofo no court na wo mo kone their problem in him. But this should be the last time. At least from whatever the court's ruling, this should be, you see, one thing the MPP did, and they said they exploited some loopholes in the constitution. And I feel like the private members bill, Francis Susu, Epese Oyeno, I feel like it will answer in the future. Into that be a bind be free so and ya fiance will be employing Crawford without making any budget allocation for them. So this is a good exercise for our democracy. I'm not going to lie. I know that some people in the NDC are not going to be happy, but it is a good practice for our democracy. It will be something we should all learn from. And from today, it should be the last time anything like this will happen. So we'll be lose we now feel no be employing Crawford. because omo aye employer omo de it is not their fault. Ono de otifie no pay adwuma aye and your friend say wo mra mbe adwuma. So no de ankenye the fault. And so I think say that's what I'll say. That's the comment I'll pass on this. Montre mo your comment box ni mo. But that's it.